Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Filmstro login issues, plugin and account errors step by step clearly. To begin fixing Filmstro login issues, first, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and try reloading the page. If your connection is stable, proceed to verify your login credentials. Check for any typos in your email address or password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so ensure the correct case is used. If you are unsure about your password, utilize the Forgot Password feature. This will prompt you to enter your email address for a password reset link. Next, check if Filmstro's servers are online. You can visit their official status page or social media for updates. If the servers are down, wait until they are operational again. If there are no server issues, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can resolve any conflicts that might be affecting your login. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If you are using the Filmstro plugin, ensure the plugin is updated to the latest version. Outdated plugins can lead to compatibility issues and errors. Visit your plugin settings and check for any available updates. If the plugin is updated and you still face issues, try reinstalling it. Uninstall the Filmstro plugin, then download and install it again from the official source. Additionally, check for software conflicts with other plugins or security settings. Temporarily disable other plugins to see if the issue resolves itself. If all else fails, consider contacting Filmstro support for further assistance. Provide them with specific details about the error messages you are encountering. This information will help them diagnose your issue more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve Filmstro login problems efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.